Good morning everyone. Today in this video we'll learn about the meaning of partnership deed. So let us understand what is a partnership deed. It's a written agreement specifying the terms and conditions governing the partnership. As you already are aware that partnership is such a type of business organization which is established on the basis of mutual consent of more than two people, two or more than two people. Now this mutual consent could be oral or written, but it is preferred that it should be a written agreement because we need a proof of the existence of a partnership firm. Although it is not compulsory through the law that you need to get it in the written form, but still it is advisable to have the partnership deed. It is advisable to have the agreement in written form. Now let us understand what do we mean by partnership deed. Written agreement which specifies the terms and conditions governing the partnership is called the partnership deed. That is, all the related contracts, that is all the related agreement, the terms, conditions, rules governing the partnership are in written form, which is signed by all the partners. That written agreement is called the partnership deed. Let's further elaborate and understand. Partnership deed is an agreement which clearly states the terms and conditions and all aspects concerned with the partners to avoid any misunderstanding among the partners, so that in case of disputes there is a proof as well as the agreement is in front of us in written form. But it is not essential to have the written agreement. As I told you, contract could be oral, it could be written. Still, it is advisable as it constitutes as an evidence, it serves as a proof of conditions which are agreed upon. Now, let us see what all are included in the partnership deed, the aspects which are included in the partnership deed or the written agreement between the partners. It contains every detail about what we have agreed upon together. Two or more than two people, whatever conditions and terms were there in between them, that is all included in the partnership deed. For example, name of the firm, nature of business, location of business, duration of a business, investment made by each partner, ratio of distribution of profits and losses, duties and obligations of the partners, salaries and withdrawals of the partners, terms governing the admission of a new partner, retirement of some partner, and expulsion of a partner. In case of disputes, what is to be done? Interest on capital and interest on drawings, procedure for dissolution of the firm, preparation of accounts and their auditing, method of solving dispute. So every minute detail on which two or more than two partners have agreed upon are included in the partnership deed. So partnership deed is a written document, a written agreement which contains all the details of the agreement between two or more than two persons. Just see the sample as flashed on your screen. It's a sample of a partnership deed. So as you need to understand, you should understand what actually partnership deed is. It contains all the details as mentioned in the previous slide, and further it is to be signed by all the partners. I hope that you are clear with the meaning of partnership deed. In the next video, I'll elaborate how the registration is done. Thank you.